My name is Craig Yates. I'm the Creative Director here at the Aloud charity. I've been involved with Only Boys Aloud since the very first day it began. We started Only Boys Aloud originally to continue the incredible traditions of male voice choir singing here in Wales. As well as that, we wanted to give these boys the sense that they can achieve whatever they want to do, to give them incredible experiences. We've sung in some of the best theatres in the UK, some of the best concert halls, and some of the best sporting arenas. We came third in Britain's Got Talent. We were signed to Sony and released 2 albums with them. Now we've set up the Aloud charity, we are able to offer that to kids and to girls as well, and everyone else we work with. It's not just about singing, it's about well-being, it's about being with your friends, it's about knowing that you can achieve whatever you put your mind to, and to know that you can do what you want to do. The process of recording the album was a long one, but really enjoyable. We recorded them at different venues across Wales. We started up in North Wales, in Llanllyn, where the kids recorded their songs. Then we headed to Llandudno, where we recorded the North Boys recording their songs. Then we headed back to Cardiff, where we had the South and the West Boys, as well as the girl choir singing over a weekend in the Urdd in Cardiff. This has been a really huge project for me personally. It's the first album I've put together. I've chosen all the repertoire, done some of the arrangements and organised everything. I'm really proud of it. I'm really proud of how it sounds, how it looks, and I hope you really enjoy it too. After the last couple of years we've had, we just want to get back out there, performing as much as we can, getting more people involved in all of our choirs, and making more albums in the future. This whole album was only made possible by a crowdfunding campaign, so a huge thank you from all of us in Aloud to all of you who supported this project and have enabled us to make this album, and I hope you enjoy it.